afternoon, Mirabel members. We are standing back in the new bar, and things are really starting to take shape around here. And the most exciting news of the week, the AC is back on. Yay! We can't wait to celebrate with you right in this very space. And now for your weekly construction update. Beautiful tile floors are now in the men's massage area. Tile is being installed in the ladies' locker room, floors, and showers. Appliances are being reinstalled in the kitchen. Recessed lighting and AC vents have been placed in the ceiling of the new private dining room. The trusses in the new bar have been stained. The project continues to progress forward. Today we had an initial inspection of our kitchen. Everything is looking great. Our final kitchen inspection is scheduled for October 2nd. We are really hoping to achieve a temporary occupancy permit at that time, so we can at least operate the full kitchen and serve you in the men's locker room. As always, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log on to our cameras for live views.